Hey guys, I'm Kent, welcome back to my channel. I've got a really simple install today. Wanted to show off the DH Motoring billet drive hub that I picked up for my 2025 Honda Dax. All right, so here's the drive hub, an absolutely gorgeous piece of machined aluminum. Again, I'm putting this on my Honda Dax, but you can put this on the Honda Grom or the Honda Monkey. They all use the same drive hub. There is a difference though. The 22 and up Honda Grom use a 10 millimeter bolt for the sprocket. I actually realized that for the first time when I bought my 22 Grom and tried to use a sprocket from an earlier Grom.
Damn.
It didn't fit, although I was able to drill those holes out. Otherwise, everything else is the same. So if you want to put this on 22 Grom, you just need to use a sprocket from an earlier generation. Otherwise, everything else should fit. So the installation should be pretty simple. I'll show you what it's replacing right here. Just this, I assume, cast piece of aluminum. Functionally, I'm not expecting any big performance increases or anything like that. Weight-wise, I'm assuming things are pretty much the same too. This is just a nice piece of bling to add to this bike. So order should just be taking off the wheel. This actually just pulls off. These little pieces hold the little cush drive pieces of rubber that add a little bit of suspension in the drivetrain. But this physically just pops off. We pop the new one on, and it should be good to go. So again, a super simple installation. Let me get this onto the bike. All right, so gear off first. And this should just wiggle its way out. Drop my little cush drive deals. And then this little collet goes inside here. You'll need to transfer that to the new drive hub. Just pops in like this. And then the installation, from an installation perspective, that is it. So now we just throw it back on the bike. But yeah, just the exact same piece, but instead of cast, it's in this very pretty billet aluminum. These sprocket nuts torque down to 24 foot-pounds. And the rear axle nut torques down to 44 foot-pounds. All right, so a very easy installation. It was really just a matter of removing the wheel, pulling off the drive hub, popping the new one on, and putting the wheel back onto the bike. But I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. The raw aluminum and black is the motif that I have going on for most of this build, so I think it looks really good. I'll link in the description below directly to this product. Thank you everybody very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and keep on building.